The next topic is polarization. Now, dielectrics can be of two types, polar or non-polar. Polar dielectrics are those which have a permanent dipole moment, while non-polar dielectric molecules do not have a permanent dipole moment. Dipole moment means in case of non-polar molecules, the positive and negative charges are coinciding. The centers of positive and negative charges coinciding, so the no net electric field is present. While in case of polar molecules, the positive and negative charges form two separate poles, and that's why a permanent dipole moment is there. Now, in the presence of an external field, the positive and negative charges of non-polar molecules, which are otherwise coinciding, in the presence of an external electric field, they get displaced in the opposite directions due to the effect of electric field, and a net dipole moment is induced. And we say that the dielectric is now polarized. So dipole moments of all molecules are in same direction, because all the positive charges will align at a particular side and negative charges to the opposite side, and we say that the net dipole moment is there, which is the sum of dipole moments of all the molecules. On the other hand, in case of polar molecules, there are already permanent dipole moments. That means already the positive and negative charges are separated and not coinciding. But all the dipoles are randomly oriented in such a way that the sum, the total dipole moment is 0, the net dipole moment is 0. But when an external field is applied, then all the dipoles align according to the external electric field because of their charges depending upon their poles, and hence all the dipoles align along the same direction and add up to give a non-zero dipole moment. So we can conclude from the discussion that both polar and non-polar molecules, they develop a net non-zero dipole moment in the presence of an external electric field, but the mechanism is different. Now we define a term polarization, which is also dipole moment per unit volume. It is represented by a capital P. Note that the dipole moment is represented by small p, while polarization is represented by capital P. It is a vector, and it is given by chi e vector E. Vector is the electric field, external electric field. Chi is known as electric susceptibility of the medium. It is the intrinsic property of dielectric medium, which gives an idea, or which is a measure of how the medium responds to an electric field. And in case of dielectric, polarized dielectric, after polarization, it so happens that inside the volume of dielectric, inside the structure, positive and negative charges are nearby each other, so they cancel out each other, and only charges at the ends remain. And these charges are induced due to external field, and only charges at both the ends remain. And therefore, a polarized dielectric is equivalent to two charged surfaces having positive and negative charge density, surface charge density, which is given by plus minus sigma p, and it is due to the bound charges at the two surfaces. I am enclosing a few pictures for this regard.